You have sliced and searched strings, but if you really want to clean, extract and process data like a pro, you need to understand tokenization, lists and regular expressions. Let's break it down step by step. What's up guys, welcome back to Ready Controls YouTube channel where we simplify automation, control systems and data handling with Python. In today's video, we're going to deeper into text processing. You will learn how to tokenize strings, understand Python lists and use expressions the right way with real world applications. So in the past, we had many variables and passed string to it. Let's look at this example like this. Python 3.3 is faster, cleaner and smarter. If we want to just print tokens out of this, let's look at the same command which we use, tokens equal to sentence.split, and then we print tokens and run this. Okay, so what did we get here in the output is we got Python got the cleaner and the tracked only the words. Let's look at that. So to do that, what I will be using is I will be importing a RE tool. So import RE, that will import a library called RE, which will help us for finding all the words. Okay, so what we will do is we'll import RE and then tokens equal to RE dot find all, and you could see find all, you could give a pattern and the string and the flags that we need, right? So for now we'll just use find all and the pattern we want to read after. So if you want to extract tokens from this sentence, Python 3.3 is faster, cleaner and smarter. We use the regex re dot and we want to give a pattern. The pattern is given with a r single colon, and then we first start a word boundary. That's the start of the word boundary, and we want to extract one or more word characters like letters, digits and underscores. So we use \w plus, and then we end the boundary with a b. So that's our pattern. So anything that matches full words only of letters, digits, underscores, but not punctuation marks. Comma, we do sentence, which is our variable. Okay, so that's how you extract individual words into your tokens. So where is tokenizer useful? Tokenizer is useful for sentiment analysis in machine learning, where if you look at a review for a hotel or review for a flight, there's the big review. In there we take that big paragraph, split it into tokens and then group them in using extract the words into a tokenizer and then use it for sentiment analysis. So let's look at more example of tokenizer. Let's say we have a customer feedback and the customer feedback is service was fast and friendly, right? So we'll go ahead and create feedback called service was fast and friendly. If we want to do tokenizer, it's the same. We want to extract all the words, so we just do replace that with feedback.lower and we print the tokens. If you print the tokens, now you have a list which has service was fast and friendly. Okay, say if we want to count the number of mentions, right? So this obviously this is a good review, so we want to find how many people are giving us a review that the service was fast or slow, right? So to do that, we can find out we run this tokenizer and we do a simple find. Instead of finding, what we do is we print fast in tokens. So all we are asking is find fast in tokens. If you found it, it will be a true. If you did not find it, it will be a false. So we'll go ahead and do print, and it's true. So this review is good because our customer service was fast and friendly. Say if you want to find out a poor review which says, hey, your service was slow and unfriendly, so we can just do slow in tokens and run. So you can see there is no slow in this tokens. So in sentiment analysis, our automation logs, you can tokenize and search for keywords like fast, error, or success. Let's look at another application for pre-processing text for machine learning. Say we want to remove punctuations and lowercase, right? Say we have text called learning Python is fun. So we'll go ahead and text is learning Python is fun, and we'll go ahead and extract all the tokens and print them. Sorry, text. It's from the previous one, so we just put it as text. So we got learning Python is fun. So our tokenizer is a list which got learning Python is fun. Now if we want to just word count, so we are just taking the word counts in the existing tokens, and let's print out the word counts. How many words are in the tokens, right? So this is also good application to, so it tells you how many words you have and count of each, right? Say if we say learning Python is fun, 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 and we execute this again, it should tell us how many times the word fun is in this bag of words, right? So this is really helpful when we are learning about machine learning models. Before feeding text into the machine learning model, we clean it, we tokenize it, and sometimes count word frequency, which will help the model understand patterns. Okay. So next set of application is validating inputs or extracting patterns. Say we have a data that looks like a string that looks like this. Data order 123 cost 49.99 and ships in 3 days, right? So let's find out just the numbers out of this, and we do our regular expression, and the pattern is D plus, that will return just the numbers, and we print numbers. We got error. When we run this, we are able to extract just the numbers out of that. Okay. Now next example is how do we extract words starting with capital letters. Say we have a string called Alice and Bob met Charlie, right? Now we want to just find out the name, so we say cap words, we use re.findall, and we define our pattern with a R single quote /B, which is beginning of the word boundary, and we want to include capital A to Z, and small a to z, and a asterisk and B. That's our pattern from comma names. So this will Mr. print cap word. So to extract the names, just the names, we can use this pattern and run that. So that will give us how to extract the names with capital letters. So regex isn't just for words. It is powerful for extracting numbers, names, emails, and much more. Essential for any kind of automated data cleaning or parsing. So now you have seen how to use the type, which will help you find out what type of a data is an existing variable is, and you are able to, you learned about tokenizing strings with .split method, and we also learned about re.findall and how list help, and also we learned how list help store these results for real world tasks, whether you're cleaning text or analyzing reviews or preparing input for machine learning model. This is the foundational stuff. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more Python tips right here on Ready Controls. Thank you. See you in the next video.